Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to reset main train's page counter fuser of printer HP M607. Please subscribe and like this video. First of all, you must remove this cover. To do it, you must unscrew 3 bolts first. Second, and third bolt. Then you can extract this cover. Unplug all cables from this item and you can extract this plate. In this place FU7002, in some cases a resistor is already installed, but it's open. In my case there is no resistor, and I can without unsolder to solder a new resistor. You need solder 47 ohm, and it's too small, and it's the hardest part of solve this problem. I do not and you must plug the resistor in this place FU7002 and solder it. It's not easy, but I will try. First side is done, and second side is to check our work with multimeter. Yes, and yes, it's done. You can plug it in fuser resistor is 47 ohm. After 150 pages, printer will printer I don't know how to say it in English. Fired this resistor and it I don't know how to say it. Plug in cables. Plug in plate. It's not good. Oh, it's correct. Installed. Plug-in cover. First this side, then this side. Screw the bolt first. Second. And third. Done. When you plug in fuse in printer, maintenance page count will be displayed 0 pages. If video was if video helps to you, please like, hit video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Glory to Ukraine.